Ever wondered how your bank password stays secret online? Or how shopping websites keep your credit card safe? It's not magic, it's secure protocols, and today I'm going to explain them in the simplest way as possible. Welcome back to the Cyber Hero. Today we are going to discuss here understanding secure protocols, network protocols. In this video we'll see their role. The presentation will delve into the definition of secure protocols, their significance in today's digital landscape, the mostly common user types, comparison between protocols, real-world applications, and in last we will summarize this video. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Before starting this video, please make sure you hit that like button. Now, what are network protocols? Simple definition: a network protocol defines the rules for the data transmission over network. What are network protocols? It's a set of rules that tell us how data is sent and received over network. Some protocols are not secure, so we use secure versions. Here is that secure versus insecure. There are both secure and insecure protocols for communication. Importance: understanding these differences is essential for data integrity. So data integrity comes in a CID trade, if you know that. We have studied that, we have discussed that already. Moving next to next slide, why secure protocols are needed. The main four reasons. First one is data privacy, account security, secure protocol benefits, session protection. These are the main four reasons why these secure protocols are needed. Let's discuss first data privacy. What does that mean? Sensitive data can be encrypted by attackers. That is why data privacy is needed. Account security. Lack of security leads to password theft, risks to user account, right? Secure protocol benefits. Protocol provides encryption, authentication, and data integrity. These are the benefits. Session protection. Sessions may be hijacked by the attackers, impersonate users. Now moving to next slide, where we see common secure network protocols. First one, SSL, TLS, HTTPS SFTP. I hope you are all aware of these protocols. If not, here I am giving an overview on these protocols. If you want a dedicated video on this, please let me know in comment section. So without wasting time, let's see then. SLS, TLS, what does they do? Full secure socket layer. TLS stands for transport layer security. It provides secure transmission over networks. HTTP is secure version of HTTP. Encrypts data exchanged between web browser and servers. SSH, secure shell. It's used for secure remote login and command execution. Example: system administration use SSH to control servers. For TLS is the modern version of SSL. So, for an example of HTTPS www.google.com, simple as was it. Now, understanding this HTTPS, why it is secure. Understanding HTTPS. HTTPS is a secure version of HTTP using SSL and TLS encryption. Here is an overview of HTTPS. So I am going fast. Why is it essential for secure online banking and shopping, protecting sensitive data? Where to find HTTP? Example includes secure websites like this. So I give an example. This is the example where you can see HTTPS. If a website is HTTP, please make sure that website is safe. So it is a bonus tip. Moving towards next step. SSL and TLS ensuring secure communication. How? First, SSL overview. Protocols that encrypts data for secure network communication. These are the protocols. They also provide authentication, digital certificate authentication, enhanced security against impression attacks. TLS as a modern successor, widely used for web traffic, email, and VPN communication. Then we will see SSH secure shell. Secure remote login. SSH allows system administrator to control servers with encrypted communication. It increases security by replacing telnet. Telnet was used in place of SSH, so for security purpose we use SSH. Prevents eavesdropping and data interception. It is simple for message. SSH is crucial for managing critical infrastructure and accessing sensitive data. Understanding IPsec technology. Purpose of IPsec. It secures communication, especially in VPN connection. If you didn't watch my previous video on VPNs, go and check that video. That will we have discussed IPsec. What is that? So operation works in transport internal mode of encryption. Moving towards the next slide, where we'll see FTPS and SFTP, secure file transfer protocols. These are the protocols used in for file transfer. That is FTPS, and the secure version of FTP secure use SSL, TSL encrypted data. This is a very secure protocol. We have seen a lot of before SSL and TSL. It is also used in HTTPS. It's also used in FTPS. Here, SSH for transfer portion uses SSH to ensure safe data transmission. SMTP and FTPS. Difference between this use SSH and this use SSL and TLS. Both are safer and alternative to standard FTP. Now let's see some secure versus insecure protocols. This is very important. A clear distinction exists between secure and insecure protocols, which is vital for maintaining cybersecurity. Let me tell you some insecure protocols and their secure version. Secure protocol we can use in place of that. For example, HTTPS we use their HTTPS. HTTP we use their HTTPS. FTP we use their SFTP or FTPS as we saw. Telnet where we use SSH. POP3 where we use POP3S. IMAP where we use IMAP-S. Now moving to the next slide, where we'll see real life use of secure connection protocol. HTTPS ensures personal data is protected during translation. SSH provides secure access for server management. IPsec is essential for securing VPN connection. TLS applies to securing email, application and cloud services. If you have any doubt about this video, please let me know in comment section. Now, what is the importance of these secure protocols? Secure protocols. We saw many of secure protocols, HTTPS and TLS, protect data from unauthorized asset. First point, their key features: encryption and authentication, data privacy and data integrity. What is the best practice? Always obey for secure protocols versions to safeguard sensitive information. If I try to summarize this video in an easy version, then secure protocols protect data in transit, right? HTTPS, SSH, IPsec, TLS are important. Encryption plus authentication makes networks safe. Always use secure versions of protocols. If you learned something new today, please let me know in comment sections and hit that subscribe button. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.